We're almost at 1,000. Whoa! Hey guys, welcome back. So I did this look for you guys today. It's mad drama, and it actually goes with the story time that I'm gonna tell you. I'm about to film this sucker. I was like driving the other day and I was like, dang, how come I never told that story? So look. And if y'all have not seen it in my other story times, I'll put them in the description box below. Make sure that you guys are subscribing to my channel. I appreciate everyone that's following me. I get lots of sweet comments all the time, and I really let you guys know that I read all of them, and I say that because
I don't even have that many subscribers, so I have time to do all that.
But that still makes me a good person. So I read everything, and on my black to blonde video, there were so many sweet comments on there. Wigs are itchy. Without further ado, roll the tape. Hey babies, so I did my eyebrows off camera per use. Check my Insta. Tomorrow I'll be posting a video. So this is my Nars Radiant concealer. I'm using it to prep my eyes, and I'm using a buffing brush just to go through and distribute the product. Next, I'm using my NYX eyeshadow base in Milk, just to make sure that the colors are super vibrant. So I'm actually going to use my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette first, and I'm going to do a cut crease. So I have hooded lids, obviously, and I'm really just kind of learning how to really make them, what's the word I'm looking for, larger, I guess. I don't know. Normally I would never do like cut creases. Like they just became like mad popular, but like back in the day it was a smoky eye thing. So I'm just learning. And I'm taking a lighter pink color on the outside and going back in with a hot pink on the inside. Next, I'm going to use this purple to go ahead in the middle of my crease. And I wish I would have, again, I'm still learning, so I wish I really would have went up a little bit more so the color would have been more dramatic in terms of when I did my cut crease, but it's cool. It's cool. Next, I'm using a brush that has absolutely nothing on it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and buff just so that I'm making sure that the colors kind of mesh together. Don't worry, I'm gonna go back in later and make sure that purple stands out. So I had to go back in with that purple. Next, I'm going to be using my Nars Radiant concealer and making sure that I'm touching the top of my eyelid so I can see where my crease needs to go. I'm just going to go ahead and outline the look that I'm going for, which turned out to be more of a Jessica Rabbit, which I used to love Jessica Rabbit. I think she was a little bit too sexy for children. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm like, her boobies was like, ba-bam. Okay, then we're going with my She palette from Colourpop and using that nice color at the bottom. The only reason why I'm doing this eye is because I totally forgot I had a whole nother eye. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, it wasn't intentional. Like, I'm gonna do this one, then this one. Like, I was like, oh, wait. So I just finished it. So next, I'm going to go ahead in that same Femme Rosa palette and go ahead and use that pretty pastel-y shimmery pink and put that all over my lid. I remember both of them this time. Next is my NYX matte. I don't even remember what that's called. I'm sorry you cannot see me put on my eyeliner. I thought maybe this would be a good angle, but It's just a little wingy wing, little chicken wing. Okay, next I'm using my Kiss So Wispie 7s. I think they have another name. It's like KP something, something, something. And I'm going to clean up this wing because I want it to be super sharp, which I hardly ever really do, but I decided to do it today. So I'm going to take 2 foundations. It'll probably make my skin even worse. Y'all, my skin is so bad. Like, this is the worst my skin has been since high school. I used to have really, really bad cystic acne, and I think I've just been mad stressed, and I've been going through like the longest breakup in breakup history. So... oh, y'all, I'm just trying to get it together. I mean, like, breaking up is I guess okay, but can my skin just look like it's not going through it? Like, for real. Using my air spun, I'm going to go ahead and soap up all that product. Now, of course, Nars Radiant Concealer, who's like literally starring in this video. Didn't sponsor it though, could have. And my beauty blender, and I'm going to go ahead and beat myself up in the face. So this is not Ben Nye banana powder. This is the cheapest beauty supply form possible because I wanted to try it. It did okay. It's no Ben Nye. Anyway, so then I'm taking my NYX, I think this is a concealer, but I use it as a contour, obviously. And I'm going to create some chiseled cheeks. And I realized at the end of this, I did my nose crooked. Like, don't go back and look at my intro. You can kind of see it. Then I'm taking my Colourpop Glow Up as my highlight. Oh my gosh, my skin is trash, trash, trash. And then I'm using my MAC blush. I think that one's Everlasting Sun. And now I'm using a Colourpop color that is like 1,000 years old. So I'm probably going to get like lip herpes or something. I don't know. I don't think that's how you get it, but you never know. So then I'm taking also to outline my lips. And then I'm taking a NYX color. I think this one is called London. Or Abu Dhabi. I never have my products next to me when I do this. You'd think I'd learn by now. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and stalk me on the social. Until next time. Love you guys. Bye.